This always happens when they try to eat. This horse wanted to play guitar. Someone clearly taught this dog a release command, but she has no idea what it is.
You can have your breakfast. Indy, go. Okay. Yes.
This dog has a new best friend. This little bird does not want to let go.
Come on. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Whee!
This dog thinks he's a cat.
Look at you. You're so pretty.
Who knew badgers could be trained?
Sit. Good boy.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Get it, Ridge. Get it. Get it, Ridge. Get it, Ridge. That's my boy. And he did it. Yay!
Oh, you gotta control her.
What is this?
You're so silly.
I know, she's...
I don't think the cat wants the pacifier.
Guys, I want to show you my new piñata. My piñata.
He really wants that bone. What are they looking at?
Do that, Pepper. Does Pepper do that? Did Pepper do that? Is Pepper that girl?
What?
Moo Moo, she just hurt her paw. She was playing super rough. And now her paw, the nail was bleeding a little bit, so I wrapped that up for her.
This is what real determination looks like. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Their specialists 347-894-5005.
It's time for Daily Check, brought to you by Bigelow Benefits Team. Bigelow Benefits, when you're finding wellness every day.
Hi, kitty.
Oh my god.
일단 고한 되시요. 고한 되시요. 고한 되시요.
Likes a hike. She might have the biggest baby in the world.
What are we doing? Hi.
Bertie? Hi, thank you for choosing Dairy Queen. Here's your blizzard. Doesn't come out. See?
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
We love ourselves a go trust where she's like, this will scratch me. It's so weird.
Hey. Oh, too.
This is a little cup of whipped cream for Gunner the Machine.
People say to get your cats a concrete block. Just get, oh my god.
What are you crazy?
Uy. Really?
She nailed it.
Do y'all ever just...
This puppy woke her brother up just to fight him.
Did you just wake him up like that, puppies?
Just trying to record my full moon in Libra in March.
I think this cat might be a ninja.
Oh my god.
The salmon.
She's a barker.
My mask.
I think they're ready for dinner.
What? My goodness.
Go lower. Up, 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 up. High five. High five. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Chucky. Damn it, Chucky.
Time out. That's a giant bedbug.
Hi. Hi. Hello? Oh.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Oh my god.
Cálmate. Cálmese. No. No.
Amber. What are you doing?
I'm just saying, if you don't let your dog use you as a...
Go ahead. Do your thing. I'll give you some time. You hear me? Do it. You gotta do it in order to get some. Okay, I'm gonna give you some. Okay, I'm gonna give my baby some Simon now. Yep, I got you, baby.
Turns out when your cat and surfaces are the same color, it can cause some issues.
Little boy.
They made a little bar for the squirrel that comes to their garden.
To go up. All right. Harper loves chasing groundhogs. Ready? Go get him. Get him. In she goes.
Goofy doo. You're a wolf now.
Gentle. Oh my god. Oh, Ash, you gotta be gentle. It's a baby. Just be gentle.
Look at me.
Oh, sit down, you get my window dirty. Hush now.
No, go.
Jump.
Não ria, não. Se você rir...
You know how the horses you go around on the carousel?
Dogs always love the grandparents.
Very good. Good boy. No.
Abaixa essa mão agora. Abaixa. Abaixa a mão. Não quero. Abaixa essa mão. Abaixa essa mão, Nelson.
Take a close look at what Ruby's doing here. She's taking items, putting them on her back, and watching as they slide off her feathers. I've never had a bird do this, and it's totally cracking me up.
my God, he's in jail. What did you do?
Look at this, guys. How amazing is this? That's Grandpa. Oh, that's absolutely brilliant.